Hello friends, welcome to the Vedam mathematics classes. Okay, in this video I will explain you NCERT exercise 3.2 question number 2, 3 and 4. These are the questions based on my previous videos where I have explained you no solution, infinitely many solution and unique solution, or I can say consistent solution and inconsistent solution. If you see question number 2, on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersects at a point parallel or coincident. Means intersect at a point means unique solution, or parallel means no solution, or coincident means infinitely many solution. So I have to check on the basis of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So the question 2 first point says what? Question 2 first part, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. These are the two equations in the first part. Okay. Now see, first of all what I have to check is the constant. The constant term in both the equation are the left hand side. So I don't have any problem. So first of all I will write A1. A1 means coefficient of variable x in first equation 5. B1 is minus 4 minus, because I have to write coefficient with the negative or positive sign. C1 is 8. A2 is 7. B2 is 6 and C2 is minus 9. So I will write A1 by A2, that is 5 by 7. B1 by B2, that is minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2 is 8 by minus 9, that is minus 8 by 9. Mostly children get confused with this negative sign. Ma'am, नेगेटिव साइन डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा है तो आपने न्यूमरेटर में कैसे ले लिया? बेटा अगर आप ये ध्यान से नोटिस करिए कि अगर नेगेटिव साइन डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा तो वो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा, ठीक है. अगर न्यूमरेटर में है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और अगर दोनों तरफ हैं तो अगर न्यूमरेटर में भी और डिनोमिनेटर में भी है तो हम उसे कैंसिल कर देंगे एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विद द फ्रैक्शन ओनली, नो नेगेटिव साइन विद दैट. इफ माइनस इज विद न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज विद द डिनोमिनेटर, लेकिन यहाँ पर सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर के साथ है तो हम उसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ सी, A1 by A2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू B1 by B2. सिंपली A1 by A2, या अगर मैं ये कहूँ 5 by 7 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 4 by 6. इट मीन्स वॉट? A1 by A2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू B1 by B2. और ये किसकी कंडीशन होती है? ये हमारे यूनिक सोल्यूशन की कंडीशन होती है, विच इम्प्लाइज द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन हैज़ यूनिक सोल्यूशन. और जैसे क्वेश्चन में मांगा है, क्वेश्चन में क्या मांगा है हमसे? क्वेश्चन में हमसे मांगा है कि फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इंटरसेक्ट एट अ पॉइंट. सो यूनिक सोल्यूशन बोलो या आप ये बोलो कि इंटरसेक्ट एट अ पॉइंट. द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन इंटरसेक्ट एट अ पॉइंट, और द गिवन सिस्टम of equation intersect at a point. करेक्ट. तो ये आपको एक अच्छे से समझ में आया. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, मैंने इतना सब कुछ लिखा, क्या आप इसे विदाउट राइटिंग कांट यू थिंक ऑफ 5 by 7 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 4 by 6. सिंपली इट मीन्स these equations are consistent solution. Consistent means either it has one solution or more than one solution. जब a1 by a2 ही b1 by b2 के इक्वल नहीं आया, फर्स्ट प्रोपोर्शन ही आपस में इक्वल नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है एक पॉइंट पे, या यूनिक सोल्यूशन. तो आप सिर्फ क्वेश्चन को देख के भी जज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अभी तो ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं. जब ये क्वेश्चन हैवी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में आएंगे तो आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आप ऐसे ही नोटिस करो, दिस बाय दिस दे आर नॉट इक्वल, दैट सिंपली मीन्स इट्स अ यूनिक सोल्यूशन. ठीक है, अभी आगे देखते हैं और क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं. अब हमारा सेकेंड पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सेकेंड पार्ट. ठीक है, 9x + 3y + 12 इज इक्वल टू 0, 18x + 6y + 24 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, नाउ सी, अब देखो 9 by 18, 9 is 9, 9 2 is 18, तो 1 by 2. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. 12 by 24, that means 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It means these simultaneous equation have infinitely many solution. ये मैंने कुछ रिटर्न डाउन करने से पहले ही चेक कर लिया, लेकिन आपको अगर मैम ने क्वेश्चन ही पर्टिकुलर दिया है कि आप चेक करके बताओ, तो आप पहले यही लिखोगे ही. a1 is 9, b1 is 3, c1 is 12, a2 is 18, b2 is 6, c2 is 24. So a1 by a2 is 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is also 12 by 24, that is equal to 1 by 2, which implies what? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, which implies the given system of equation coincide. Yeah, the given system of equation has infinitely many solution. और जब infinitely many solution होते हैं तो it means what? Which implies pair of linear equation coincide. करेक्ट? समझ में आया? कोई भी इशू हो आप प्लीज़ मुझसे कमेंट में पोस्ट करें, मैं उसे चेक करूँगी, जिससे कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपना ध्यान से देखूँगी उस पार्ट को, कि मैं उसे आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊँ. 6x - 3y + 10 इज इक्वल टू 0, 2x - y + 9 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, अच्छा अभी से भी ओरली देखते हैं. 6 by 2 मीन्स 3 by 1, -3 by -1 is also 3 by 1, means both of them are equal, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and this is 10 by 9 which is not equal to 10 by 9. सिंपली आ गया समझ में कि ये तो नो सोल्यूशन का क्वेश्चन है, मतलब इसमें x और y की वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करेंगी. तो हमें करने से पहले ये चीज़ नोटिस करनी है आपको, देखो, तभी तो आप पेपर को बहुत ईजीली और पेपर को ऑन टाइम कर पाओगे सॉल्व. a1 by a2 is 6 by 2, that is 3. So, b1 by b2 is -3 by -1. अब इसमें देखो दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में नेगेटिव आ रहा है, कैंसिल हुआ, आंसर क्या आ गया? जस्ट 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9, which implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, which implies the given system of equation has no solution. Simply, yeah, or I can say the given system of equation parallel. Yeah, if I write in full form, parallel. Okay, now question number 3. Just see question number 3. On comparing a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. You just have to tell whether it is consistent or inconsistent. ठीक है. Here you don't have to mention that's a unique solution, infinitely many solution or no solution. You just have to write it is consistent or inconsistent. Again the same form. Let me do each question with you. Okay, first part. Three x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. A1 is 3, B1 is 2. Now see, constant terms are on the right hand side, so there is no problem. C1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 3, C2 is equal to 7. A1 by A2, 3 by 2, B1 by B2 is minus 2 by 3, and C1 by C2 is 5 by 7. Now see, from the first two itself, 3 by 2 is not equal to minus 2 by 3, implies A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That simply means the given system of equation are consistent. यूनिक सोल्यूशन होगा ना इसका, ये कंडीशन यूनिक सोल्यूशन की होती है, तो सिंपली इट मीन्स द गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस आर कंसिस्टेंट. ओके, गॉट इट. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट. These questions are very easy. It's like you can perform it orally as well. But since the book is asking, NCERT is asking for solution in return, so you just have to write it. Okay. Now here the constants are on the right hand side, so there is no issue in both the equations. Constants are on the right hand side. Negative से negative cancel. C1 by C2 is 8 by 9. Okay. Now see, 1 by 2 and not equal to 8 by 9, which implies 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 8 by 9, which implies A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, which implies the given system of equation are inconsistent. No solution हुआ ना, तो inconsistent. Now third part. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Constants are on the right hand side. A1 is 3 by 2, B1 is 5 by 3, C1 is 7, A2 is 9, B2 is minus 10 and C2 is 14. So what will you do? A1 by A2, 3 by 2 divided by 9 means 3 by 2 multiply by 1 by 9. फोकस, प्लीज़ फोकस. डिवीजन के बाद जो नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है उस फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. 9 के नीचे कुछ नहीं था तो हमने क्या लिख दिया डिनोमिनेटर में 1. सो इट इज़ लाइक दिस. 3 3 are 9. सो आंसर इज़ 3 by 6. सॉरी 1 by 6. B1 by B2 that is 5 by 3 divided by minus 10 means 5 by 3 multiply by 1 by minus 10. Again 10 minus 10 के नीचे कुछ नहीं था. 5 2 are 10. So answer is minus 1 by 6. Again my negative sign will get towards the numerator. C1 by C2 is 7 by 14, that is 1 by 2. Now from A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. C1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 6, which implies the given system of equation are consistent solution. Consistent क्यों? क्योंकि यूनिक सोल्यूशन आ रहा है. ओके. नाउ द फोर्थ पार्ट. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. ओके. नाउ अब आप कैसे करोगे? सी ओरली देखो. 5 by minus 10 means minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 6 means minus 1 by 2. 11 by minus 22 means minus 1 by 2. It means all the three are equal. It means infinitely many solution. It means when infinitely many solution, it means a consistent solution. These given systems are consistent. So A1 by A2 is 5 by minus 10, that is minus 1 by 2. So these questions are oral questions, means you can perform these questions easily without writing even. But if paper asks for these questions, you have to write it. Which implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, which implies the given system of equation are consistent. Done.